A lot of issues, especially Godi media, the commercialization of media, and a lot of censorship from the government. So, do these issues have been very recent, or these issues have always been there in Indian society?
No, the issues have always been there. Only thing is they become magnified at the moment. Totally magnified. We had the emergency earlier. So the same censorship was there. This whole phrase that Advani saying that I asked them, I mean, they were asked to bend and they started crawling. So that has always been there. But now things have reached such a point where there is total control and dissent is not tolerated, And you have the income tax, the ED,
all these
the
government
CBI,
institutions are being used to crush the opposition.
Absolutely.
Yes.
No, not only opposition, any dissent. Civil society is also under threat. You see? So this is a phenomenon which has widened at the present.
It is the current situation is often referred as the de facto emergency. In such a
Undeclared emergency.
undeclared emergency, the time of Indira Gandhi was declared emergency. It was government was very open about their atrocities. Now they're hiding that and they're presenting the image to the global society that we are a very democratic nation. So do you think that this? What do you think of this type of projection?
There's nothing to feel about it. I mean, it's a facade which is being built around, And you see, Gandhi used to always say that you can't have a Hitler all the time. You can't have a Mussolini all the time. Things will
Stalin.
change,
Yes.
It is going to change. There's no doubt about it.
What do you think is the greatest threat to India at the moment? Do you think it is the outsider forces that are supposedly taking action against our nation?
No. The greatest threat is of the inequity in the country.
Inequality. Yes.
Inequity. The 1% of the population
Controls more than all the assets in the
all the
nation.
assets. I mean, you saw that map which I showed.
Yes,
that,
50% are
is just
controlled by this
minuscule.
1%, and
That
the
is
rest of the
biggest
50%
problem
is
we are having.
Yes.
That's the biggest problem.
Also, just one last question. I won't take much more time. What do you think of this quote? We cannot achieve political equality without income equality. What do you think of this quote?
No, that's true. You see, if you have meritocracy, there will be difference in pay scales. There will be difference in salaries. The point is, it cannot be so wide. You have 6 lakhs and 1 rupee. The 6 lakh double. They can't have that kind of thing, no? One person is getting 6 crores as a salary. The other guy is getting 1,000 rupees.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, if